Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss the significance of socket. So what is the meaning of socket? Socket consists of two things. One is IP address and second is the port number. Port number. So what is the meaning of IP address? IP address is like home address and port number is like a service identifier. So one computer can host multiple services, but how to identify the services? So IP address is same for all the services, but the port number must be different. Port number you can consider a service identifier. So consider this is server machine. This one is a server machine. I can see server machine, and this IP address is known to everyone, every client. Client number 1, C1 and C2. Consider this client C1 wants to connect with this server for the service of HTTP. We know that mostly HTTP protocol uses 80 port number, and this server also gives service for MySQL. So MySQL port number, or you can say service identifier, is 3306, and this server wants to connect with this. So this client wants to connect with this server. So this client connects to this IP address and this port number, but for the communication purpose, this client create a random port, say 5334. This is a random port created by the client, and this random port will be constant for entire communication. This port, this one, server port, is known to everyone. Consider the client 2 wants to connect with this machine for this MySQL services. So client machine will use this socket. Socket you can consider as a pipe, and client machine will use any random port like 222 this random port, and this random port will be constant for the entire communication. So this is about the socket. So when client wants to send any message, client will use this IP address and this port number, and when server accepts connection, server can send message to client machine by using this socket. So I hope you're getting a sense of socket. So bye bye everyone, bye bye. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.